Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first of all, you should go to the Play Store and right there in the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. So now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your phone. Now just tap to open, and here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap here on the switcher and confirm with OK 2 times. Now just go back and tap here to the switch input methods, and right there just switch from the Gboard to the English United States keyboard. Tap here to OK, and that's it. Now we'll just check. For example, we'll start messaging with someone, for example with HardReset, and now when you'll text the message, you can see that the keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as our emojis. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.